my dear students, and welcome to the new lesson. So in the last lesson we have studied how integer numbers are displayed in the width specification. So that means how a number should be displayed in 10 columns or 5 columns and so on. So that is, we have seen the format specification as %WD, where W is the width in which a value wants to be displayed. So let us see the same examples that we have seen in last lecture practically. So this is the program where a integer variable a is declared and it is initialized with the value 495. So as we know that this 495 value requires 3 columns to be displayed. इसमें 3 कॉलम है, फिर 3 कैरेक्टर है, so इसलिए a प्रिंट करने के लिए by default 3 ही कॉलम लगते हैं. So with this printf, so let us run the program and we will see the output what it will generate. So see here, with this first statement, value of a will be displayed. So value of a will be displayed. So value of a is now 495. So 495 will be displayed in the first line, and after that with this \n control will be on the next line. So यहाँ पे \n लिखा है. So by \n से आपका कंट्रोल कहाँ आ जाएगा? नेक्स्ट लाइन में आ जाएगा, यहाँ आपका कंट्रोल आ जाएगा. Then with the next printf function, this message a equals to will be displayed as it is. जैसे के वैसे a equals to जो भी आप डबल कोटेशन में लिखा है जैसे के वैसे डिस्प्ले होगा. So after that here is given %5d. So we have studied that with this %5d, value of a will be displayed in 5 columns. So see here, this value of a, so value of a is 495, so which requires 3 columns only. So here I have mentioned it should be displayed in 5 columns. So therefore first 2 spaces will be displayed here, and after that the value a 495 will be displayed. So again with this \n, control will be on next line. So in next line, consider the next printf function. So again a is equals to will be displayed as it is. So here a equals to will be displayed, and then %7d is here. So that means value of a will be displayed in 7 columns. So 7 columns, that means first 4 spaces will be there. So see here. So in next printf we have 2 spaces printed. So in the next example I have written %7d. So therefore 4 spaces will be there, and then 495 will be displayed. So again with this \n, control will be on next line. So in next line, next printf function is a equals to, again message displayed, that is a equals to. So here I have written %-5d. So we have seen that with the minus sign output will be left justified. So therefore this 495 will be displayed left justified. That means firstly 495 will be displayed, and after that remaining will be spaces. So here remaining will be 2 spaces as there is 5 columns. So 5 कॉलम में प्रिंट करना है, सो इसलिए पहले 3 कॉलम में 495 डिस्प्ले हो गए, बाद में 2 कॉलम्स में आपके स्पेस आएंगे. एंड देन आई हैव रिटन हियर **. सो यहाँ पे ** मैंने जानबूझ के लिया है कि आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे दो स्पेसेस है. So after the 2 spaces there will be this ** will be displayed. So यानी स्टार डिस्प्ले करने से यहाँ पे आपको इजीली ध्यान में आ जाएगा कि यहाँ पे कितने स्पेसेस आए हैं, आपके 2 स्पेसेस आए हैं. Then next printf function, so a is equals to %07d. So we know that with the preceding 0, blank spaces will be replaced with 0. So see here. So say 4 blank spaces, instead of 4 blank spaces there will be 4 zeros, and after that the number 495 displays. Then in the next printf function here, format specifier is %2d. 2 कॉलम में डिस्प्ले करने को बोला है. सो लेकिन 2 कॉलम में a की वैल्यू डिस्प्ले नहीं हो सकती है, इट रिक्वायर्स 3 कॉलम्स टू डिस्प्ले. सो देयरफॉर अगर फील्ड विड्थ कम आती है तो इट विल बी निग्लेक्टेड. %2 वहाँ पे निग्लेक्ट हो जाएगा, 2 निग्लेक्ट हो जाएगा, सो इट विल बी ट्रीटेड एज %d ओनली. So therefore with the %d 495 will be displayed as it is. So this is how we can use the width specifier to print the integer numbers. So now let us see how the real numbers will be displayed in the specified width and the precision. So we have actually seen all this printf function. So let us see it practically. So let us run the program here. So see here, a float variable a is declared which is having the value 49.847. So same example we have used in our last lecture also. So a variable which contains float variable which contains this value 49.847. So with the first printf function, this a equals to displayed as it is, and here %f is there. So therefore if you use %f, then this a value of a, so this value of a will be displayed with 6-digit precision. So therefore the value displayed, that will be 49.847,000. So then with the next printf function, so consider here next printf function, a is equals to %6.2f. So with this 0.2, 2 digits after the decimal point will be displayed. So therefore after decimal point 2 digit, that will be equals to 0.84, but this will be rounded off as it is 7 here. So therefore the value that will be displayed will be 49.85. So 49.85 will be displayed in 6 digits, 6 columns. So therefore first column will be space, and then in rest 5 columns 49.85 will be displayed. So then consider the next printf function. By the next printf function, so here the format specifier is %06.2f. So this is same with this 6.2f, but only difference is here that the spaces will be replaced with 0 here. So instead of here 0, instead of here space, 0 will be displayed. So hence the output will be 049.85. Then consider the next function where the format specifier is %7.3f. So with this minus 7.3f is there. So with this minus, output will be left justified. So therefore firstly the value will be displayed, and after this point here 3 is the precision. Here precision is 3 digit. So therefore after point 3 digit will be displayed. So hence the complete value to be displayed will be 49.847, which will be left justified, and therefore output will be 49.847, which requires 6 columns. After that there will be one space. So hence we have completed with the 7 columns, and after that I have written here star star just to see the space here. यहाँ पे जो space है वो दिखाने के लिए हमने यहाँ पे क्या डिस्प्ले कर दिया है, स्टार स्टार. So therefore in the 7 columns and left justified, this value will be displayed. And then with the next printf function, so here I have already explained this statement, or I have already explained this printf function in our theory also. So here with this minus, output will be left justified, and in 11 columns and precision 2, value of a will be displayed in exponential format, and hence it will be displayed like this: a is equals to 4.98 e plus 001. So how this comes, we have already discussed in our last lecture. So this is all for now. In the next lesson we will be coming up with new learnings. Thank you.